Welcome to day 2, and day 2 we are going to tell the time to o'clock and half past, and hopefully you remember doing that when you were in year 1. There is a website for you to look at on YouTube, something for you to see that really slowly and carefully points out the difference when a minute hand is on o'clock and when it's at half past. This diagram shows you the longer hand is the minute hand and the shorter hand is your hour hand. So you watch the video first of all, that's your introduction. Then you've got some activities to do on here. You don't have to write them down, you can just say them. But 3 activities. Write the time shown on this clock. Match the clocks to these times here. You have only 2 clocks but 3 times, and one of these will be left over. And then this one, when you've got 2 clocks, and whether it's when you eat lunch, go home, or go to school. Just those 3 on there. Your activity, there are some sheets on there for you to choose from. There are 3 different sheets, and it is just matching up the time, telling the time to o'clock and to half past. So remember, half past is when the minute hand is on the 6, and o'clock is when it's on the 12. When the minute hand's on the 12. There are 3 sheets to choose from. There is also on here a challenge for you to do. So again, it's to do with o'clock and half past. It says use the rule to complete the table. Rule: the minute hand moves clockwise half a turn. So starting time. What time is the starting time? It's 8 o'clock, so you write 8 o'clock in there. What is the time after 3 half turns? Remember, it's always clockwise, so we're going as if the hands are going clockwise around normally. What time will it be after 6 half turns? What time will it be after 9 half turns? What is the time after 12 half turns? And the time after 15 half turns? Then you've got this extra part here. It says, is there a pattern? If there is, explain what is the pattern that you see in these boxes when you have done your half turns. There's a reasoning activity as well on here to do. Jen is trying to tell the time. She says it's 5 past 6. Is Jen right? Is it 5 past 6? How do you know? So don't just say she's right or wrong. How do you know if she is right or wrong? And that's the end of it.